Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making lotus root stuffed with minced beef. Let's get right to it. In a large bowl, add Wagyu ground beef, ground ginger powder, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, ground white pepper, ground Sichuan pepper, and egg. Stir to combine everything well, whipping in just one direction for at least 5 minutes until the filling becomes fluffy and sticky. Marinate overnight. Peel and slice lotus root. Dip the slice into cornstarch. Measure 1 heaping tablespoon of minced beef mix and press it against one side of a slice of lotus root. Top it with another slice of lotus root to create a sandwich. Steam over high heat for 20 minutes. To make a sauce, add sugar, light soy sauce, and water to a prep bowl. Mix fully and drip the sauce over the steamed lotus root. Then lotus root stuffed with minced beef is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.